Hello, everyone. This is Rahul Bhavsar from AI Accelerate. I'm extremely excited to show our first public version of Agent Joy, which is a sales acceleration agent. And we're all going to look at it, what exactly it does and how it works, and a live demo. So let's get in. So, what is Agent Joy and what it can do for you? It primarily does 4 key things for sales reps. If you have a sales teams and a sales organization, every one sales leader and a CEO will understand these pain points. Salespeople spend at least 40 to 50% of time doing non-customer meeting related admin work, which includes document generation, sending emails, following up, and so on. There are a lot of other things. So we have designed Agent Joy to exactly address that wasted time so that the sales reps can go and spend more time with customers closing deals. So what is the first and the most important thing it does for a sales rep? It comes with a voice agent as a product expert. Think of this like your sales engineer or a pre-sales person on demand, having extra and exact knowledge of every product and solution you sell. They don't need to have any technical people anymore. They can just go to the customer, bring Agent Joy, and Agent Joy can answer all technical questions or any clarifications, and sales rep can focus on relationship and sales closure. Next big thing, every sales rep would love to have a meeting booking person. All the sales rep has to do is to give LinkedIn URL, work email, or the website of the prospect, and Joy will go and do the prospecting and book a meeting with the prospect and the sales rep over the next few days automatically. And that's a big feature. After the meeting, Joy does the following. It creates requirement documents, proposals, as well as flowcharts. Don't worry, you are still in full control. It just creates a draft and gives it to you, Mr. Sales Rep, so that you can modify, edit, and then paste it and send it to your customers. And finally, it'll constantly look and give you feedback on what you need to improve in a given sales meeting based on what you have spoken, how you have spoken, and so on, as well as qualify the customer for you, whether it was a qualified deal and the intent of buying or not. With that, let's move to how it works. It works in a very simple way. Every sales rep gets an Agent Joy to assist him or her. And Agent Joy comes with all the features which I've mentioned. It has a product expert capability. We can train it to be a Cisco expert, a automobile expert, a machine expert, or a software expert. Anything which you say, we can train it to that. It'll generate proposal drafts based on your organization's template. It'll create customer requirement documents so that immediately after the meeting, you can just take it and send it to the customer after giving a quick look. It'll give you scorecards of your sales performance. It will create a nice flowchart of what the discussion went to. And the biggest pain point, it'll go and update your CRM for you, by the way. And that's a big time saver. And this is when the sales rep is in the meetings, whether it is an online meeting of Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams, or even a phone call with the prospect. So with that, I want to take you to Agent Joy's live demo. This is our first interface of Agent Joy. When you log in, every sales rep gets this. It is fully integrated with the meeting note takers, the leading meeting note takers, and I'll show you that. But let's start with Product Expert. Product Expert feature is basically every agent, when we build it for you or deploy it for you, you will get a phone number, unique phone number of your agent. And all you have to do is dial in and start talking to it, and it will help you with everything. Let's take a quick demo here.
Hello, Rahul. Thank you for reaching out to AI Accelerate. I am Agent Joy, here to help you get started with AI for your business.
Hey, Joy. Can you tell us what are Agent Joy and Jules in AI Accelerate to our audience?
Absolutely. Explain. Agent Joy is our sales AI agent that qualifies leads, automates outreach, and scales pipeline. Agent Jules is our marketing AI agent that personalizes campaigns and boosts marketing ROI. Our team at AI Accelerate builds and deploys these agents quickly, integrating them into your workflows to move from AI hype to business value fast. Would you like brief speaker-ready lines or slide copy for your audience?
No, just tell me, how do you price it?
Great question. Our pricing is structured as a fixed monthly fee that covers design, deployment, enterprise-grade security, and ongoing management, so you get predictable costs and measurable ROI. We tailor the exact price based on scope factors like the number of agents, integrations required, data volume.
All right, Joy. Thank you for your quick help, and it was a pleasure talking to you. So, as you saw, it's a live agent. You can invite Joy in a meeting over a phone or an online meeting and ask it any technical questions which you would like us to train and help your sales and customers instantly with any technical questions or any expert thing which is hard to bring all the time. And guess what? It is 24/7 available for you. Now, let's take post-meeting activities which Joy helps you with. So here, when you click meeting section, we have pre-integrations with Fireflies as well as Fellow, and you can upload your own transcripts whenever you need. It will show all the meetings which had all the conversations and meetings with the customers as well as internal. You pick the ones which you want, and if you click one, it'll give you the details, and then at a click of a button, you can create a requirement document, sales proposals, meeting notes, discussion flow, sales performance, and a qualification. So let's take a look at the flowchart or discussion flow here. It creates a nice flowchart of what all things were discussed, how things were going to be working, and so on. This one was a very straight conversation, so it did not create any complexity, but I'm going to show you some other ones. It will create nice meeting notes for you. You can edit it, copy, paste, and immediately take it to the customer. It will also give you a qualification criteria. So here in this meeting, it says it detected 72% of buying intent score, and it qualifies on a band structure. If you have any other, you can go and incorporate that as well as a criteria. And finally, performance. How did I, as a sales rep, perform in that meeting? It gave me a score of 78, and you see the areas where I did very well, the areas where I need to improve, and my overall feedback, right? So this is very helpful for a sales rep to constantly learn and improve himself or herself in how they are performing automatically. With that, let us go ahead and check other things. It nicely organizes all the key things which it helps and produces for the sales rep based on all the meetings. And you can just go ahead and do it. It has, go to the settings. It has all the options for an admin to configure, which includes setting up the organization, the profile of the user, the integrations of each user, whether they use Fireflies, Fellow app, or any other popular note taker. If you have, then we can go ahead and integrate with that. And we train this on your company's organization details. So there is an option to upload the knowledge and share it with the whole organization in that case. So I hope you guys like the Agent Joy, which we have built. It is purely built to help the sales people to go and grow their business, and a true AI assistant to help them accelerate their work. Give us a shout out if you need a trial or a demo for your organization, and we'll be happy to help. And let's take it from there and sell more things. Thank you.